Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and I'm here to talk to you today about a variety of elephant ear. It's got a lot of different names that it's known for, but there's a ton of varieties of these guys in different sizes and even colors and textures in the leaf. This one here, I was really drawn to it because of the variety on the back, on the bottom of the leaf. It really gets to be a darker color and it's real veiny. But the leaf on this guy is exciting as well too. It's so large, it's over 2 feet across. And I have this one planted in a pot. It's done really, really well for me. No care at all for this guy. I periodically will have a dead leaf at the bottom and I'll have to clip it off. That's about it on this one. It's exciting. It adds a very dark green color texture to it. But if you see the different plants that we have here in these pots, you can really mix it up and have some fun in your pots to where you add a lot of different textures, colors, different heights, to where you really get some excitement in here for your plants. So we have a potato vine down here. This is a purple one. It's getting a little too much shade, so it's meant to be the purple variety here. And then we have a caladium growing in here. I need to add even more color and texture for this one here. But we have also back in here a Carex plant. And there's a lot of varieties of these here. So I'll go into this one here in just a minute in another video. So enjoy, have fun in your landscape, and do something exciting like pots to really add something to your yard.